There we go. Day 4 of filming and action. Who did it better? Shit!
Scene 5, take 26.
What are you doing? What was that?
We're gonna have to cut.
God damn it, cut! And you know what? That's it. It's over for you. You fired. Get out of here. I don't want to see him on my set ever again. Ever again. Marker.
Scene 1, take 5. Action now.
Oh.
He says action.
I say action. Yeah. Why you say action?
So, scene now, take then.
Action.
Oh, I was gonna roll back.
He missed it.
I ain't seen one. Take one. You just collapsed that bitch.
Action.
There you go. Booyah.
We be chilling right now, but like, hey, one take. Look at this in one take, all right? Y'all got this?
One take.
I don't want to waste no film. Let's get it right.
Got everybody. You see that tattoo of me.
That dude golfing looked like Donald Trump for real. He got the Make America Great Again hat and the whole outfit to match. This is the only time right here, like clean shaven, that I look a little kind of young.
Oh shit, if I clean this shit up.
Show your legs, nigga. Your legs, bro.
Hey, don't worry about that. They don't need to see my legs. Shut up. Fuck out of here. That's fake too. Take that shit off.
Hell no. Somebody gonna use this right here.
Yeah.
It's from putting the face in the nalgas. You know what the nalgas are? Everything that Charlie. Okay. Everything that say Charlie. That's your
See? Right here.
It's one thing to say Charlie.
Charlie is a girl. I be having these one-liners. Hey, give it back.
Yeah, I know.
You better have given it back.